Number one, you should have an instant reply. Meaning to say instant, dapat in seconds, in minutes, and not in hours, mga boss ha. Number two, dapat pagpasok nila, you have stages. Dapat you can identify those people who are new to the business, who are those people na interested, and those people na who is ready to buy. Okay? Dapat may tagging system ka or lead segmentation. And the third item you should have is a 3-day follow-up system. Wherein after 24 hours, you can send reminders. And they too should be focused on value. Maybe if they have questions or if you're having a money back guarantee. Importante yun sa frequently asked questions mo. And on the third day, it's time for you to soft close. Meaning it's not awkward if mag-offer ka na ng product or services mo. Because you've given them value sa day 1 and day 2. And believe me mga boss, after applying this, yung scene zone, mapapalitan na yan ng
Boss, paano mag-check out? Or, boss, how do I book an appointment with you para makausap kita? Maybe via Zoom or in person.
And that's how you do it mga boss. And again,